Hi guys, today is Thokoza Progressive Youth at Greenacre Skills Center, Tepo Street. The kids are excited, we're having Tech Week, kids are happy.
Thokoza Progressive Youth had an event where it invited the public to a tech-filled event created to instill interest and also technological knowledge in kids who are specifically aged 7 to 17. The purpose of this event was to bring a new notion of creative and innovative youth who will actively participate in the 4th Industrial Revolution.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm
So my name is Malcolm Sikonde, but you'll be calling me Sir or Mr. Sikonde. Okay, it's nice to meet you today. I can see we have a young crew today, so I'm expecting a whole lot of questions. Before we start, can I ask, do we know why we are here today? So today we are here to learn as much as we possibly can about the different technologies that we have in our society, okay? So before we talk about the 4th Industrial Revolution, we're going to talk about the other revolutions that we had before the 4IR. So those dolls are made using 3D printing, okay? So what we do, we draw the character maybe on a piece of paper, and then we go and draw that character online using a computer system. Are you still with me? And then after you've drawn that character, most of it draw with a computer, you then print it using this. Can you see this machine?
Yes.
This is a 3D printer. If I got a plastic phakathi, and then what happens? The plastic melts, and my melter drawer unospopo, then aphumela sika unospopo phelele. Artificial intelligence. Is it the first time we are hearing about a technology called artificial intelligence? Is it the first time we are hearing the word artificial intelligence?
Yes.
Okay, so artificial intelligence, like I said before, is basically a technology whereby we take the human brain and fit it into a robot. Automation and robotics. So, can anyone tell me what's happening in this picture here? When you look at this picture, what can you see? And then we move on to the next technology, which is known as the AR and VR. In full, it's augmented reality and virtual reality. So can you see these people wearing headsets here?
Yes.
Have you ever seen these headsets before? Who knows the movie Mr. Bean, Johnny English? Yeah, so these are the headsets Mr. Bean was wearing. Can you see them? So yes, manyanga lebula classes amanye bazonikeza wona lama headsets niwafake nibone exactly lento le bebona Mr. Bean, okay? Yes. So it will be a simulated environment. So during my headsets manuwafakile, do not panic.
The candidates were given a chance at learning about different technologies. The candidates also had a chance to also ideally learn about coding, how to make programs, how to talk to programs, and also how robot arms work.
Today we'll be doing Scratch. Basically, Scratch is just a platform or a program where we'll be programming our games. We love games, right? We love playing games on our phone. So today I'll be showing you how to create a simple game that we mostly are aware of. The name of the game is a jumping game. it to create a talking AI. So now, what we'll do here, sizokhuluma computer. And then this was pending. Yes, don't look so shocked. Sizokhuluma computer, this was pending. Mzoyibulisa, this was bulisa there. I'll ask you a question, you will respond. Content that. We watch Transformers. Are you in Transformers? Yes, that's So you see, okay, let's see. Let me just say something to a computer. So how do we talk to this computer yet? We talk to it by typing something. I'll just type hi. Hi is the greeting. Let's hear.
Hello, I am TPY robot.
Do you hear that? Should I start again? Let me say hi.
Hello, I am TPY robot.
It's a hello, I am TPY robot. So never know what you call it, Jenna. Music. Thokoza, how are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. You?
So did you hear that? I said hi, it said hello, I am TPY robot. I said how are you? It said I'm great. Thanks for asking you. So basically that is how our robot talks to us. Can I offer you to say hi, maybe I use a question or something. Yeah, what's Spanish? So you write that. Okay, let's start by greeting. So you know good manners to greet first, and then even more harm, put bye English. So let's just start by a simple hello. Hello. You use this to send. Alright?
Hello, Simpi.
Did you hear that? He said hello, Simpi. Okay, Simpi can tell something else. Yeah. Mama, when you can stand up.
Okay, morning, Sangonat.
Morning.
Come on, guys. Morning.
Morning, sir.
That was nice. That was so nice. How are you guys doing? I'm good. Are you guys happy to be here? I can see your Jesus written happy. What's your name? What? Maya. Are you happy to be here? Or are you happy to just to be you? Okay guys, so previously we went only saw on how to design a code that will help you to design a robot. So right here, we've already created a robot. So this is a newborn magician robot. It's actually a robot arm. The Sanda robot. This arm or the Sanda, you can make almost anything that you can do with your hands. Just like writing down, bringing you a cup of tea, picking things up for you, drawing almost anything. You can actually draw your own faces. Who wouldn't want to have a robot of Parela Ama homework why they dress like a soup? About robots of Parela. That's great, right? So we're going to start a laser. This is a laser. We're going to try and draw something. For now, we're going to draw a right triangle shape. Do you know a shape, a right triangle? Right. So we're going to start with our laser. Make sure you don't come close because you actually googles so you can see. For now, I'm just gonna pass this one by one. Each and every one of you gonna come close our target and observe the while they are close, okay? Next person. Next person. Next person. Please move around so that you can see too. Guys, remember, we're maintaining social distancing.
Say hi. No, you look beautiful, guys. How are you?
Fine.
Are you good? Are you enjoying today?
Yes.
Okay, good. You should always have a good time. I hope you're learning a lot. You remember what you learned today? For how long? Forever?
Yeah.
Cool. And you can draw using a robot, right? Did you learn something? Hey, you know what a projector is now, right? Alright, someone else? What did you learn today, guys? About science. Thank you. Okay. Yes, sir. About robots. Nice.
About robots opening people's stomachs.
These robots can also do healthcare. Robots can be doctors, right? Nice. Did you guys learn about AR and VR? What is AR and VR? They didn't show you? Where you can see the glasses and you can see another place and stuff like that. Alright, great. Alright guys, what we're going to do today, what's going to be happening today is that we're going to be learning about AR and Okay, what did you see in the video?
I see a man's video at the front, and he got it and cut, and then driving a truck, and then I was excited and I was so happy too.
I'm glad. You look so nice, bro. You look cute. But you're a man. You look handsome, man. Men are handsome. What did you learn from the video?
I see a man carrying an aeroplane.
What did you learn? What did you see in the video? You see
Aeroplane in the airport.
an elephant in an airport. Nice, thank you. What did you see, bro?
I said that you can open your car with the phone and with the door, and buy a ticket with the phone too.
Nice,
And watch TV.
nice one. I'm glad. What did you learn from the video? What did you see in the video?
And house.
A house. What did you see in the video?
A car
A car
and
and people. All right. Okay, guys. Next video, and then you also give me feedback on that video, ne? Today's workshop. I hope that you guys are catching as much as you can. What did you learn today so far? Okay, here's a better question. Do you know what's in front of you? Okay, what is it? Anyone? It's a VR, right? So are you guys do you guys want to experience VR? Alright, let's do this. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you guys 12 minutes. That 12 minutes is gonna be divided into 3, ne? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you guys a video. You're gonna watch a video for 3 minutes, then I'm gonna stop, and then I will talk about that video. Watch the next video, 3 minutes, stop, talk about it. Then the lastly, we'll also be playing games. Is that okay with you? So I need you guys to watch and listen very, very, very carefully, because I want you guys to also answer some questions about the video you're watching. Is that cool? With VR, when you watch videos, you can look around, you can look up, down, sideways. You will see every single angle that you want to see. Né? But you don't only watch one side, so you can actually look sideways, back, up, and down. So with that being said, guys, okay, we'll just pass it to the back. The first time I saw VR, I saw it on YouTube. I was watching a music video, and then they even had an arrow at the top where I can just go up, down, sideways. It's like, what? I can actually see the whole room of the same video. So I was like, whoa, okay, wait. Is the world trying to trick me? Is God playing tricks on me? But no, God was not playing tricks on me, that's true. So finally I could see the same music video I saw 4 years back, but now I can see it on goggles. So meaning that what you see around you right now, your eye view is 360. Your eye view is actually 180. But your world is 360. 360 meaning that 360 degrees means that it's all around. 180 means that I can see this part, which ways my eyes can see, right? And then, so with 360 degrees, like watching a video, but watching in 360. Makes sense, right? Alright guys, so let's just quickly start. Let's just quickly show you guys examples of what 360 can do. With you guys, since you guys your caliber is a little bit more different, I think we'll be trying to use also different videos. So we have 3 videos and I can't hear you. Yeah. I love you guys. Well done. I hope you're gonna have a great day. Thank you guys for spending your time with us.